Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. And Dino, too. And this is a response, the last video response to Pandemic 2019. Now, unlike other people, Uncle Al survived and was in charge for a little bit. Uh, and let's see, so far, was made administrator, took care of people, took care of problems. Um, I gained control of certain nuclear weapons. Everybody survived. I had boatload of trouble. You could ask Steve from Corsair Trainers about the crazies on both sides. I tried to calm down because I'm clown smart and he wouldn't put up with this bull. Now, a lot of people took advantage during the pandemic. Left, right, neutral, off the wall, you name it. And Uncle Alan came down pretty hard and calmed a lot of people, which led to a problem. It's December 2019, after the fictional account of the uh, pandemic. Um, yes, I think what Hubble's cat says kind of correct, but Hubble's cat's been most of the year. I mean, so I'm still alive. I have certain problems, medical problems, so I gave up my position as administrator. Unfortunately, I made a lot of enemies. Of course, that's nothing new for Uncle Al. China wants me as a wanted criminal. South Korea considers me a hero. Japan considers me a hero. Philippines, who are now fighting Canada, um, they're mad at Canada. Um, that's the Philippines for garbage dumping, toxic waste dumping, you name it. They have a real beef with Canada. I hope Hubble's cat knows about this, but Hubble's cat's been and stuff. I'm just tired. Anyway, China, their civil war ended. They're licking their wounds. They fought another war at the same time with India. India did get an advantage and did conquer some areas. Wasn't that great, but the nationalists who was trying to take back communist China failed, and they came back over here. We did have a third wave of the flu, and really hit me pretty hard, and brought up some medical issues. Also, I turned over to Biden and Pence, dual presidents, the nuclear weapons, so we're okay on that. Um, we did have a major disaster in the Pacific Northwest. Vancouver and Washington, Oregon suffered a massive earthquake. No volcanoes, thank God, blew up. We did have a venting and a few other things. Now, China is really mad. And so is Canada. For some weird reason, they convinced the rest of the world that Uncle Alan's a war criminal. Okay, I was trying to keep everything nice and in order and fashion and try to make sure nobody kills each other, but sometimes you can't stop stupidity. Anyway, this is the other things are coming up. The whole world order has changed like nuts. France and Germany and most of Europe are going at it again with recolonization. That's always fun. Canada's in our borders. Thanks, Canada. Always enjoy backstabbing. The socialists in Canada expanded their territories into several former states of America, mostly Maine, Vermont, I think Michigan, and Illinois. They took over fairly quick, and they're under Canadian rule. Ontario shrank a lot. They lost everything on the West Coast. Um, there's the Free Indian states, and then Vancouver, which didn't do too well because of the earthquake and the third wave of the pandemic. The two ladies that was living with me, one, the 49-year-old, gave successful birth to twins. The 18-year-old died from flu complication and birthing problems. So that makes girlfriend number 9. Not too happy. So anyway, I'm going to The Hague, and we're going to have a little discussion. Uncle's beat up, tired, and this is my 5th SHTF. As long as they give me medical care, I don't care. I'm tired. This is not the way I want to spend my days retired. Fighting everybody, surviving a flu epidemic, a pandemic, rebuilding society, which was really hard. Hubble's cat thinks all these socialists running around is going to save their butts and have committees. Well, they tried to do the same thing in America, and it fell flat on their face. I'm kind of tired. I got everything done. California went from 43 million people down to 19 million people. We evacuated Los Angeles mostly because we also had an earthquake and a tidal wave. I can never pronounce that Japanese word for tidal wave, but it was a total mess. We got the ports open, we got the ports running. Mexico's still closed. They're still pissed at us. They landmined and put a bigger wall. I mean, it's bigger than the one we planned, except they got guns on top of theirs. Mexico suffered about 100 million people dead. I'm glad I'm tired. Anyway, pretty soon I got my bags packed. I'm heading to Denmark. They're going to keep me at house arrest for a little while. Canada and China, Russia's no shape to do anything. They got their own internal problems. Africa, same thing. Nobody ever heard anything about the UK. It's totally gone. Anyway, I got a defense team, so I'm fine. I've been cited in the paper as a hero, war criminal, insane madman, private person with nukes. I'm tired. Okay, I still stay on YouTube, and I did get an offer to do a kids show. Yeah, with puppets, strippers. Yeah, and strippers too. Might go on Netflix. But like I said, I'm under house arrest and I'll be spending time in Denmark for a while. The Hague's kind of messed up, that area. So they're keeping me in Denmark for a while. Don't mind Denmark, it's a pretty nice country. Like I said, I'm not against socialists or right wingers or either side. I'm just tired. I get the job done. Uncle Tom's the guy who takes out the trash and crap. Anyway, this is the final VR. And probably have some more adventures. What else they could do to me? I survived the pandemic 2019. Of course, everybody else didn't do so well, and they should have listened to Uncle Al. Anyway, oh yeah, and I didn't like the movie they're planning to do on me. with Tandem Chatham as Uncle Al. No. All right? I'll catch you later. Hubble's Cat. This is the final VR to our conclusion to Pandemic 2019. Catch you later, kids. Yeah, kids, bye. I'll be back soon. And I'll be going back to my regular sponsored program. Catch you guys later. Bye.